Nimagoro benki ya umwancho murigere rwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansubu mu gusingwe na ritwe ya ndigendrete ko balita yero rwima na nene no gendrete kwegokya asoko bwatia emirobero yonsi yeritwe ya rero ime ya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansubu mu gusi ekerode ritwe ya ijuma tariki kyanda cy'umutinyi kabere omwaka no yo bw'iki 2024 namanga gendrete gokorekana imense ya Kenya ekeromo konyibo murayi wense Rigathi Gachagua kubaterana barayibandi kurwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza bagendrete nemirobero Amayia County ya Kirinyaga achinga kingo kwarigania semesa ya Amayia ya Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ereyo bwenge eriyo nkumanyebuna nara ya kubaterana nabasaki baito twabere to sangerera kurwa se Chinsinyo nyarabuna sensemo ya Facebook na bakugendera otonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News poigo nabo ya somo wetra se website ito www.ndizitv.net eriyo togendere gusanga asubwamo. Everlyne Osero uryoko enekia chibicha niryo gicha wikera sentra ya bene nigakuru kwa sara mumanyi kwarigania tobe togosanga amogwika omwerio Amayia Chinsa Ikomi sentra yo byenye toko ya chaka bene korwase county ya Kisii awase abaremi bekemeriye chae korwase factory ya Kyamukama itkulale baba gusangerekana asensemo ya GSMB ward ya Ichuni eryoko bekerwa chigutwa mayiga yo konyora amayegerio igoro yobokinia aligesa asekemerekyo yechae erinde banyore engeria engia egatia baremia bo baba bawekera nairo kubekirwa chigutwa nigo bagokera egetamkirekyo natana nigo barachikubeka omokia ase oburemi bwekemeriye kawa bose yechae
garero twakire witness graduation ya farmers ba fundishiru buna ba practice sikechae ase migombe yitu igo to kwimiza quality nande karatwana ole quality volume sinakira ikibuche digere Kyamukama tunyare kwanyora echae lieto isaine turanyorere omuremie faida ikina kinda appeal kuchisaba limbambi
magoko ose obuya wogotora ni machine osobobe igorende igonyegenete nga aserituko lya rero aba obisabande mbaroro baratuorokera lingana kitokolendo echaya ito egereto amasao amaya ntua ramika sana asengenjo batokorete chibesa se bonus lakini ntuegenete nga goikera bono iga manichingine cherigereria egereto mente bonus egere sukie tonyore na
ro ya rokadebna obokurumi ni go bwabere boko enekiwa asekirengo kegurumono asobosombi bwechpara nabo igo emebasokano ko enekiwa ani go bono omobunke obumachoge burabu obadia baronko aberega kurwa ebirengerero byayebuna abanyanyimbo babwenerete ko kobekwa agusama chikale bwente kobekwa asoko enekia buna mangana yobokurumi abeire gakwera kurengana na barongo nigo aganire abo bisa abanyanyimbo bebapara guse traffic officer akoroserwa chi uniform echo chitabwati emifuko nabo igo chi kamera cha CCTV kobe kwa sechpara asoko enekia gukora amangana yobokurumi no engana yabirege kwewa okoboko no mubunke Samuel Aramu yore mubunko Nakuru Town West asekeria boigo arure okoboria achigari chemesigo bose chitrack chibe nchigo bose nchibasa gutangwa ase ogokora obosombi bwabo chinga kicha butko asenchira yamo yogokeani emebasokone yaberege kwenekiwa mono chinga kichia butko
motion ye yarenge ya corruption amangana ya mahaki emotion ye asamangana alia yale go propose emotion ye twaganitie nga onye yale konyarekana abasigari baroserigwe chi uniform chitabwati mebuko nkigeko garatuta getenga abasigari baroserigwe chi uniform chitabwati mebuko na sengencho yabeire ukongachana kwa abeire orogati yaba basikale amo n'abananchi nga ningoli otanganete korwa liaki basikale bararekandira bagotebanga abananchi banjete ko bahali haki n'abananchi bagotebanga onye tokonyara korwa liaki elio tokonyara kwaberwa aseri goso lindelionsi wakolire separa
tutaitu kujenjia the traffic act umaete accident shurigereri butambe jirichi koba para ojikoba at night na ndo moja ni yurigereri jirichi bantu kibako we involved yo ko nyora ndo ko involved ne truck because you go and you got it, I don't know what's going to you are never accurate. One mark on your maybe the Jipara to water, Chilajin. So the Jin in one on the body with an Ekamo Tega, one around about woman, and especially Chigari, Chin and Nachiturera, Neji Pass. Actually, not a Kaivani, then and on Chipas and Jivas move because already Jackson and Jing go to go in Garana maybe because of what that is not to go to at night. But last month, you at night, I go to Jaco Sax, and this half Chigar passenger. I got the passenger around your Namana, I will not go from one place to another, so you must be on the road. Don't go to the Gari, get the Chigar, Messi.
Inga kiachira mabayo ngabere kago kwanira igoro yobokoreri bwabagambi ase ebinyoro aho notabuna nigo yarokanire abagambi abangi no batarwikirania emeremo yabo buna ebwenete koirera no nyanu butumeki nabo igo obwenki bwa marwa tancheri korokana se chinsemo aho imense ya Kenya nigaganiriye lichiko ringikiranu kobekwa eriyo gokonya ase emeroberi yega anene abagambi babe bakunyanganywa ekero ase kero eriyo kwenekia buna mangana buna obusaria sebinyoro tarigo chia kwenekiwa asa matukabusio
yogo nyore chibuli maybe for example ike chibwe bwata emiaka 19 or 20 okurda bono igo muntu okurda kole emiaka 60 na gyo muntu ara igaranza asa muturu oti emiaka 11 you cannot sit in a place every tigaji chibu jawo transfer go nyoro mujibu maybe for example na seito asinduweda anyoro mujibu ororo wangire gokoregas boronga maybe no gokora mangana ya marwa goso yo gore bintu kete orusu oba transfer dio to another location or to another sub location but within that area so that you manyana the only advancement you anyo to koregas yengi ya asori kirese inesere yo go transfer dio and elsewhere na sa kondari elsewhere ta gonya roju okodi na banda oro because mbamanyene you can imagine a situation where njenari kirune chief ae na yogorosi amarwa abaskari baje ngoje bare gukubwata namyo kana otena to basako beka amarwa era abaskari ngoje bare but you know nyo dibwata relationship naye na bongore gasi ane no way
Omukagerwa Joseph Irungu yomanyikaine buna jowe ni ganyorekana na mamocho yo kubwatiraniwa no boiti bwo monchoreria aserieta Monica Juma oyobete ka goitwa omwaka wa 2013 asomuna chebi na Grace Nzioka bwekegambere kinene kya High Court nigaine kya buna kubwatikana no bosaiti obwo bwabeire bogokorwa na babusakorwa sekyombe ya kya DCI ningo bokworokia kene buna Irungu nigabwatirani gose niganyorekanire na mamochayo ase ekigambiro no nyana bani ekigambire kyo kya High Court kyaba kegokana bond ase Irungu arachotigara ase rumande we kachitariki 5 cy'umutenyi ogatato omwako yega.
It is the finding of this court that the prosecution has proved beyond reasonable doubt all the ingredients of the offense of murder, the death occurred, the cause of that death, the person who, and in this case the first accused, I'm still on the first accused person, committed that offense, it was not a case of homicide, excusable homicide, it was unlawful. And therefore I find the first accused person guilty as charged herein of the offense of murder, that on the night of 19th of September 2018 at an unknown time at Ramuria Gardens apartment, Kitale Lane off Dennis Bridge, with others known before this court, he murdered Monica.
Nsemo yaye omukagerwa okabere bwo boityo bwo ibego kabere umurike bwa mangana Jack Maribe ni ganyora obosbore magega yo kutanyorekana na mamocho ande onsi nakorengana n'umuna chiebina ni gaine kebuna kubwatkana no bosaiti obwabere bokorwewa asekyombe kya dis ai no butuki bwabere bokorwa nigo yarokanire buna bosaiti obwoti bwaisaine aso kumubekera amamocho Maribe.
Sorry, not section, Article 157 gives the power to institute and prosecute a person suspected of committing the offense to the office of the Director of Public Prosecution. And the question posed at this stage is, was there an offense committed when the second accused person gave a statement to the investigating officers at Langata Police Station, which turned out to be not true? I say no more. The office of the Director of Public Prosecution know their mandate. The result is that the prosecution did not adduce adequate evidence for this court to find the second accused person guilty of the offense of murder of Monica Nyawira Kimani on the night of 19th of September 2018. The first accused person is convicted on the charge. The second accused person is
wakili oye Jack Maribe katwa kigeni nigagokera egetambukiro kyo gusiburwa kwaye Maribe na otana nigatabwatiranitwe ase mamochando onsi yekogarabo igo tamumanyete omonchorerio yo nyagosera Monica nigo arokana kumocensemo yekigambiro ase okoira ekinekyo atambe chinga kicho nigo tatumwabo Jack abagakogokera egetambukiro kyo na otana nigo yabeire esabari entambe asikorenda teba bono banyoreri bagari yo gutimuka nakoira chinga kibene ko bakirambya mono balbons babere bagotenana barabo ase ekineke.
Throughout the period, her conscience has been clear and the evidence has never at any time suggested that she was implicated. She was not at the scene, she didn't know her, she had no reason to want her dead, and in a way we really blame the prosecution for maintaining and insisting on this case when it had no basis. Having come this far, we want to thank God for this victory. Leave it there as we consult on the way forward.
It has been a torturous journey. We have suffered both emotionally, financially, and everything else. But we thank God that it has come to this kind of an end. Like Wakili has said, we were never in doubt about the outcome, because we assist all the facts of the case. And I would also want to thank our legal team led by Counsel Katwa here. Mr. Juguna Tess is around, Mary, I don't know whether she's here. And they have done a wonderful job. We really pray God that they help them.
John 8:32, for you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Thank you.
Mwaziri bwobore mimensi ya Kenya mitikali nturi nigagenderete kurukubori go cha sabare mi kwena kya bunango tumeka bare amoyo yeri goririke ayo abaga kubwato kwa serikali asogo kinia ebrengo byobore mimensi ya Kenya nawe ukoro muchando bwenchara uyobere kwene kiwase chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya okwana imeye county ya Makueni nigo linturi abaga kubwato kege kurege tindi uchiase abantu bali abakonia amoyo nabayigo embusuro etabwenerati abochiase abaremi na tabuna serikali yabekiremero biremekiranu yogochiya gokora ubo tukinonde wensora zikonyorekana nigarabega kwimukirwa egetambukero korengana nerichiko.
Wale walikulima walitusikia, wameshalisha mahindi katika taifa letu, wametufurahisha. Betake tiles fertilizer na mahindi tulikuwa tunashalisha miaka iliyopita kabla hii serikali kuingia kwa ofisi, ilikuwa ngunia milioni 34. Mwaka huu hiyo fertilizer tumewapatiia, tumeshalisha ngunia ya mahindi milioni 61. Sasa nitamkabidhi ngavana wenu, ngavana wa Kitui na ngavana wa Machakos. Zile ndryers tunapeana kwa watu wale wameshalisha mahindi, maharagwe, ili waweze kukahusha, ili shinda ama post harvest loss tuweze kuiteremusha chini, na ili watu wetu wasiendelee kukula chakula ambacho kimewekwa kwa musha ambayo sio ile.
Na sentre ya moyo gukinia okoyo kwa madini meyense ya Kenya ni gori kurerero abagavana kurwase County au baba kumirana na babwatani kurwase wizara ya mining ase umuchona Naivasha imeye County ya Nakuru eryo kwanira chinchira cyugukinia sector ya mining ni ugo abagavana bubaruro kuboro cya serikali kubeke mirobirembe kirano yokoyo kwa madini gukorekana ase County au imense ya Kenya.
We are here because, again, the constitution is very clear, because under Article 6.2, there are two levels of government and distinct but interdependent. Therefore, it was an envisaged from the beginning of time.
The key areas of interest has been in forest management, and we have agreed that at the national level, we have protected forests which are to be managed by the national government. But we have also community forests, we have individual forests, we have private forests that have to be managed at the county level. But overall, we must have national policy and regulations that ensure that the management principles and practice are uniform and are geared to ensuring the conservation and sustainability of this very important resource.
And if there are still gray areas, we are ready for consultation as a ministry, and we are ready to iron out areas which the county.
Negati abara ikorwase omabwazimio la umoja wa Kenya gati abo Opiyo Wandayo yore omurai bwabare abake asebunge nabaigomose omo governor we county ya Siaya James Orengo ni gobeso kirena kugikere bururu serikali ya Kenya kwanza no murobiro bukuganya kubokia ekeombe kyobo chorine chimbebe IEBC korengana nabara yaboni gobatero na goika amaganyo aliabeteka gokwanerwa asechingwa na gati serikali nenseme kwamirira serikali abe gakurigere waskiri waterebu na serikali sikuboke kiumbe kyo kya IEBC na koirania ba commissioner bare ngororo ninchireyemo yokoreta obotrubani asemeroberio imeyense ya Kenya.
Any attempt to reconstitute the IEBC outside the framework that has been established by NADCO will be totally resisted. And if they go ahead and reconstitute the IEBC outside the NADCO framework, then that will only be an IEBC for Kenya Kwanza.
Having gone through the election as a candidate and as a defender of justice in all the courts in the Republic of Kenya and in the Supreme Court, and as somebody who has taken part in negotiations for transformation from one constitutional order to another, at a personal level. Now I'm talking at a personal level.
Manchumuliro ya inarna kwariganiretia semese Amayia Chinsa Ikomi senchira ere yobwenge korenda ya manaenda magino kanyora senchira yoboikranuge koraga ensa mona boigo Chinsa isato chamagoroba mnaletwa sore nere Vincent Onyancha yanda kubwate miroberions ya Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook otanyaro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News boigo naboko ya soma wetra se website ito www.ndizitv.net eri otogendre gusanga asobwa military Everlyne Osero sara mumanyi nero ne kyachibicha nero gicha wikeira senchira ya bene kukuganiria obuligere burobuyana boigo emagoroba erentwerero.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii. Ndizi